Let us today learn how to create a rectangle in Autocad. This command creates a rectangular polyline. Creates a closed rectangular polyline from the specified parameters such as its diagonal corner points, dimensions, area, and type of corners. First, select the rectangle tool from the top and then click. The click specifies a corner point of the rectangle. Then we need to specify the other corner point. This will help in creating a rectangle using the specified points as diagonally opposite corners. We have three options by which we can create a rectangle. The first one is by area. After specifying the first corner point, we need to select the area option in the command line. This creates a rectangle using the area and either a length or a width. The second option we have is by using dimensions. For this, instead of area, we need to select dimensions. Then we first need to define the length, and then we need to define the width. Creates a rectangle using length and width values. The last option we have is rotation. This creates a rectangle at a specified rotation angle. For this, we need to select the rotation option instead of area and dimension. Then we need to provide the rotation angle at which we need the rectangle to be made. Then we have some other options also, such as chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness, and width. At first, we will look at the chamfer option. This sets the chamfer distances for the rectangle. Follow the steps to apply chamfer onto a rectangle. This value becomes the default for the active drawing until you enter a different value. Next, we have is elevation. This specifies the Z value for the rectangle. The default is 0.0. And by providing any elevation value, the rectangle is created at that specified height. This value becomes the default for the active drawing until you enter a different value. The fillet is the same as a chamfer, but it is a curve and used to remove sharp edges of the rectangle. Specifies the fillet radius of the rectangle. Then we have the thickness option. This is also visible in the Z-axis, and it specifies the distance that the sides of the rectangle appear to be extruded. The default is 0. Note: this value becomes the default for the active drawing until you enter a different value. The last one is the width. This will be visible in 2D, and it is the width of a complete rectangle from all sides. Specifies the polyline width of the rectangle to be drawn. Hope the topic is clear to all, and if you face any doubt, kindly use the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Kindly subscribe to our channel and follow the complete tutorial videos.